Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can translate text to speech on murf.ai. So this link I'll in the description below for easy access. First of all, you need to log in here with your Gmail. So now click on create project, this menu, then create project. You can select your own name, then you can see here is a lots of words are available here. If I click on here is a lots of available here, free and paid. You can see this is a pro, paid, and this is a free, and this is free, and this is a pro, and this is free. So I want to select a free because I want to use this tool for free. Then select your language, conversational and narration. So I want to use conversational. If you want to use any others and natural and fluently, etc. So I want to use conversational. This is my script. So if I want to use pitch, speed up, then at push, pronunciation, etc. Now just click on generate audio. When you click on generate audio, keep in mind when you create an account here, you got 10 minutes for free. You can see I got 10 minutes for free and I already use 1 minute. Then I have only 9 minutes and 18 seconds. Then I'm waiting for this result. When it's completed, just click on this icon, then click on downloaded. So you can see I want to play. First of all,
The pitch is much better today, Ravi Shastri told Crickbuzz after conducting the toss for the Canada versus Ireland game on Friday.
okay, this is good. So I want to download this file from here. Just click on this menu and download audio. Just click on this menu, download audio. Then it is automatically download on your computer, and if you are mobile user on mobile. So keep in mind this tool available on PC or mobile phone. So this video, if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have subscribed this channel and turn on notification bell. See you again, take care, goodbye.